Hey guys, in this video I am going to show you how to spy on Facebook ads for free. So Facebook have a tool called Facebook Ads Library. This tool is totally free, and using this tool we can analyze our competitor and find ads that currently run on their page. So why we do it? We can analyze our competitors ad campaign and get clear idea about high converting ads. Then we can use same concept to create our own ads. So let's go to our video. If you run Facebook ads, you must have niche and Facebook page related to your niche. In this example, I will get my niche as pet supply. So go to Google and search Facebook ads library. Then go to this first result. To access this page, you must log into your Facebook account. So I already log into my Facebook account. Now click on this combo box and select all. Or if you only target United States, Australia or United Kingdom, you can select that country, but I will select all. In here click search all. After that there has a text field. In this text field add your niche. My niche is pet supply, so I will just search pet supply. Now you will see Facebook pages related to pet supply. So if I click on more result by advertiser, I will see lot of Facebook page that related to pet supply. In this result you can see how many likes they got, and if they have Instagram pages, how many followers they have in Instagram. By the way, I will click on first result. After that I can get all ads they currently running on their Facebook page. So if I go up, I can filter by country, platform mean if you only try to run your ads on Facebook, you can tick the Facebook. Now it's appear only ads that run on Facebook. If you want to find Instagram, you can click on Instagram. For now I will select all platform. Also you can filter by the date. So if you scroll down, you can see the copy of those ads. Also those ads are currently active. Now you can get clear idea about what you can sell in pet supply niche. So there has some cages, tables and lot of stuff. Most importantly, you can find the date they start to run in their ads. As example, they run this ad since 30th of October. They run this ad in 6th of October, and if I scroll down, I can see those all details. So they start run this ad on 26th of September. So that means this is a high converting ad because they run it since 26th of September. So if you click on see ad details, you can see the full details of this ad. So you can check their description and check their ads look like. So if I click on shop now, I can see the landing page. So this is the e-commerce platform. They redirect to this page using that ad. So also if I go back and click on this one, I will redirect to the product. So you can find other pages that related to pet supply by search again. I will go to this one. So same as before, you can check the date that is start to run these ads and concept of the ad. So if I click on the ad, I can see the description and photos. If I click on the URL, I will redirect to the page. So this is the way to analyze our competitor. Also you can use this method to find pages that run ads for affiliate marketing. As example, let's get our niche as fitness. I will search fitness and I will go to this first one. Currently they run those ads. So those ads are start at 29th of October. So this is the way to find your competitors ads and get idea about those ads. So I hope you get valuable information, and if you have any kind of questions, just let me know on comment section. I will happy to help you. I will see you in next time. Bye bye.